Hello there. Bobo, the Bitcoiner is back in Singapore. Finally, spot Bitcoin ETF is confirmed. US government had officially accepted Bitcoin as a legitimate asset with this approval. Whether it is in cash or in kind doesn't matter. With which authorized participants isn't the point. The significant takeaway here is US government acceptance, a seal of approval. America, which engaged 42% of the global financial asset, when US government given the go-ahead, it means the whole world is given the go-ahead. This is a very powerful authorization. This is a double confirmed that Bitcoin is an acceptable trading asset, just like stocks, bonds, commodity, real estate, etc. Now, you understand why I have been flooding you with the Bitcoin ETF news for the last few weeks. So, where do we go from here now? I think there will be an initial shock. This is the first time Bitcoin is accepted into the exchange traded fund assembly. Right. Though highly anticipated, many will be momentarily shocked. Traders will capitalize on the initial surge in price by selling the news. Short-term holders will relinquish to take back capital or take profit. Long-term believer, however, will have a few days accumulating as much as they can, especially the retail investors. Institutions will join the fray, though cautiously, probably initially with a small sum of 1% of the asset under management. The widespread adoption could take weeks or even months, as institutional investors will likely carry out due diligence before adding the cryptocurrency into their portfolios. Sorry. The fact that everybody can invest in Bitcoin without fear of government intervention or regulation uncertainty is a long-awaited relief. There's no more a question of whether this is a security or a commodity. This is especially so for financial institutions, who is waiting for regulation to be clear. They are the ones who will bring in the big money in adopting Bitcoin. I foresee the banking sector will follow. Then the next in line will be the pension fund, and then the sovereign fund. That means institution, corporation, and country will buy Bitcoin as their country's national treasury. Needless to say, the retail investor will FOMO in. They will now buy. They can buy now, or they can now buy directly from the exchange without fear of regulation. I believe some among you here, in my viewers, are in that category. But it's clear now. You can go ahead if you safe. Whoever can get their hand on the Bitcoin will benefit in the very near future. Don't hesitate anymore. Okay? Front run the big boys if you can. I have been preparing you guys for weeks and months now. You should have fiat fund in the exchange to capitalize on the situation now. There will be a stampede. We will soon witness a tidal wave, much more overwhelming and wholeheartedly than the parabolic that we saw in 2017. A new history will be made. We will be living in a very fortunate and exciting time. Consume and absorb this historic moment, one that you will remember forever. All right, a great event to tell your great-grandchildren. This is the history in the making. From this moment on, the world financial system will be changed for the better. Spot Bitcoin ETF will be the largest part between the traditional financial markets and crypto. Possibly the largest catalyst. If I tell you Bitcoin will be worth $100 million, you will say I'm crazy, right? I always tell my friends, Bitcoin will reach $1 million by 2030. Afraid this is now outdated. I think $1 million will rise sooner than I thought. Very soon, Bitcoin will be priced in Satoshi instead. Since one Bitcoin is equal to 100 million Satoshi, if one Bitcoin is worth $1 million, then one Satoshi is worth 1 cent only. Not so expensive anymore, right? When it goes to 2 cents, 5 cents, or even $1, if $1 per Satoshi, it means Bitcoin is worth $100 million. Hello, my friend. Those who own one Bitcoin can be worth $100 million in time to come. No more a dream, my friend. I couldn't wait to see this happen, and we are seeing it happening. You and I will go into history book having smack right in the middle of a monetary transformation for centuries to come. If Bitcoin reach $1 million, I'm not afraid of being robbed. Obviously, you don't find my private key in my drawer at home. They are somewhere safe and secure. My Bitcoin cannot be stolen or confiscated by anyone or any government. My Bitcoin is mine and my owning. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.